Ladies, gentlemen, welcome to our channel. We are doing daily technical analysis for one cryptocurrency. So we pick one and we analyze the chart. We are trying to find patterns, support, resistance zone, important points, let's say. We are looking for something that's not too complex, because I can understand that if you have no time to do this by yourself, well, you have no time to learn the terms, the specific abbreviations. However, what we are trying to do and what we are doing is to translate the chart in a simple way, let's say. The way we are doing this is by using an AI, an artificial intelligence that helps us. So we take a picture of a chart, we upload the picture, and we read the result from the artificial intelligence. And sometimes we also come with our perspective. Why? Well, we do this for those of you that have no time for doing it, for spending time on learning all these stuff. But in the same time, you desire to be part of this world, to invest or do some trades time to time. However, it's very important that we keep it simple so you can also do it. Or as a solution, you can use the website we have in order to get some insights from a chart. So let's drink a little bit of coffee. Let's start with the chart. Today we are going to analyze Bitcoin. We have here a 4-hour time frame, and we will download this picture and we will upload it on the website. Before doing this, I want to give you a short description of what Bitcoin is. Probably you know, but this is how I want to start. So the description of Bitcoin starts like this. Imagine a new kind of money that exists entirely on the internet. That's Bitcoin. And if you are someone unfamiliar with cryptocurrency, let's see some breakdowns. Digital cash. Unlike physical bills or coins, Bitcoin is a digital currency. It exists on a massive online ledger. Everyone can access, but no single person controls. No bank involved. Transactions happen directly between people, me and you, without needing a bank to verify or process them. So we don't need a third-party app to do whatever we want with the money, to sell, to buy, to transfer. Limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in existence, unlike traditional currency that governments can print more of. This scarcity is what some people believe give Bitcoin values, because it creates demands. And probably if you know about the demand and supply, you can understand that this could bring value. Bitcoin uses strong cryptography to secure transactions and prevent counterfeiting. Think of it like cash for the internet. You can use it to buy things from certain online stores or send it to friends and family, but you can't hold it in your hand. So for those of you that have problems with things that are not physical, that you believe they don't exist, that might not be a good option. Alright, so Bitcoin is a digital currency, not a physical one. You can buy and sell Bitcoin on online marketplace. Transactions are secured and happen directly between people. There is a limited amount of Bitcoin available, which some believes gives it value. Bitcoin is volatile currency, meaning its value can fluctuate significantly. Not all stores accept Bitcoin, and its use is still evolving. However, Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, but it's just one piece of a much larger and complex world. Now let's see the chart. So we are here on the website, we click Analyze Now, we come here under Technical Analysis. We upload a picture. The picture itself, we click Analyze. There is another option that offers you an analysis for 3 time frames, so you could think of like getting more insights or more accurate, not necessarily more insights, more accurate results, since we analyze 3 time frames. In case you purchased an asset, a cryptocurrency, and you want to see if it's a good time to sell it, to take some profit, or to buy more, there is an option here. If you click on this button, and that option is named Take Profit, where you can see if it's a good time to take profit or not. Alright, let's see the results. So, looking at 4 hours chart Bitcoin USD, it can be overstated. It can be observed that the price has experienced some volatility with a mix of uptrends and downtrends over period displayed. The most recent movement shows an uptick in price as it moves above both the exponential moving averages lines, indicating a possible bullish short-term momentum. I'll put this on my other screen, and here I'll have the chart, so to explain you what it says here, talking on the chart itself while reading. Alright, and let's start again. So it can observe that the price has experienced some volatility with a mix of uptrends and downtrends over the period displayed. Indeed, we see uptrends and downtrends right here. The most recent movement shows an uptick in price as it moves above both the exponential moving averages line, indicate a possible bullish short-term momentum. So indeed, we have the price trading above the first moving average that we have here, but not above the second one. And only when the price will break above the other moving average we have here, we can consider bullish short-term momentum. The chart shows a key support level where the price bounced after reaching lower near 56,300 price level. Let me see, 56, yeah, here. So yeah, I noticed this is being a support. Meanwhile, there appears to be resistance forming around the 64 level. 64. Okay, so it says that this one could act as resistance, where the price has previously faced rejections. Okay. The exponential moving averages shown on the chart have crossed multiple times. Let me see, just one here, probably here again. Indicate that the market hasn't been in a strongly trending phase and has switched between bullish and bearish sentiment. Yeah, indeed, here is bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. I mean, the price went up, down, and people believe will go definitely up or down. At this moment, the price is above both exponential moving average, which could signal a bullish scenario in short term. The price is not above both, but probably would be, so I can understand that we are in a bullish short term. I agree with this. The relative strength index is around 63.87. Yeah, here is the RSI, indicating a strong buying pressure in the market, but still below the overbought threshold of 70. Yeah, we are still below, which means we still have space to go up there. This suggests that there might be some room for upward movement before the market becomes overbought. Yeah, it just said that the volume bars show increased trading activity at certain points, which coincide with some price movement. The recent increase in volume alongside the price increase could be a bullish sign. All right. Yeah, we have volume here and the price started to go up there, which indeed could be a good sign. A good sign for traders that look to take long position, or because otherwise it's not a good sign if you are looking to take short position. The overall market sentiment appears cautiously optimistic in the short term, given the price is above the moving average and the RSI is not yet in the overbought zone. The combination of price action and RSI indicate a bullish momentum currently. Yeah, the sign says that we'll go to the moon, if the moon would be here somewhere. Without specific patterns like flag, triangles, or head and shoulders identified in this image, we cannot comment on classic chart patterns. However, the recent uptick could be part of a larger pattern that is not fully visible in the time frame provided. So it makes the assumption that there could be a pattern. Okay. Yeah, and that's quite correct, because this one, if you know the patterns, that's a flag. And if I remember well, the strategy, the pattern says that you will break above and you will make something like this. And so this flag, basically we have like a target, if you want, somewhere in on 19,000. That was quite a good eye. I'm impressed. Given the current setup, with the price above exponential moving average, the RSI shows momentum but not overbought. A trader might look for potential entry points for a long position with tight stop loss below the most recent swing low of moving average levels. So it says that we can take some trades with a take profit, with a stop loss below the moving average, and take profits not yet developed, let's say. Definitely, if you go on a smaller time frame and you want to take a long position here, you can do it. I would even though I would wait for the price to go above the both moving averages, and you put the take and you put a stop loss below both of them for a smaller risk, if you want. It would be advisable to monitor the RSI for signs of overbought condition, and to look out for resistance levels where the price may face sell-offs. If entering long position, consider exiting before hitting the known resistance level, unless the price shows strong sign of breakout with high volume. So, okay, we developed a take profit level. So it says considering the next level of resistance, and that would be around this zone here, which if we look for long position, definitely which will not be quite a good level if we enter the trade right here. But if what I said would be correct, we will look for the take profit around 90,000. And let me check something. If we put here the Fibonacci. Alright, Fibonacci says here 84,000 or 100. Well, I could agree with 100 because it's a psychological level of resistance. And 84,000 is close to 90, but not that close. So I would go with an area here. Maybe we take some profit, first level of take profit right here, and second one right here, just to accept what I said. And to come with something that support my assumption, AI said if volume is high, we will break out even the first resistance level. However, if we consider this one as the first resistance level and the volume will be high, we will break it out. If not, if the volume will be low, we can exit the take. I mean, we can exit right here the long position. We can take profit for full. Nice, not bad advice. All right, so those are very important information that the AI provided to us, and we have here a summary. If you want to check the analysis, you can come on the top, click on technical analysis, and you will read by yourself all these details. We have it right here. Click on it as the last one, and here is what we just read. Pretty much the feeling is like we are bullish, which means we believe, as a group of people that trades Bitcoin, the majority of us believes that the price will go up, and that is visible in the chart itself. We will see what is happening. However, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for following me until this point. I wish you a wonderful rest of the day.